What's going on, boys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a multi-key, and a multi-key is basically like a new form of one-shot that you make using a loop. So it has basically these like weird artifacts and super like granular kind of sound to it. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to make a multi-key, and then we're going to make a beat using it. So let's get right into it, boys. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to get a loop. I'm going through my 2024 archive, which if you guys want to get it, links down below. You guys can get it for 50% off. Has like 200 loops, 200 midis, a bunch of different styles. Anyway, let's find a loop. Let's try this. This could be cool. We're just gonna get rid of this little tail and then just fade it in. And then you just want to set the BPM to whatever the loop is, and then add your loop to the mixer. And I'm gonna be using Melodyne, which if you guys don't have Melodyne, you guys can also use, I think it's called Newtone, but I suggest Melodyne just because it's like literally made for this, you know what I mean? So to get started, the first thing you want to do is just hit this transfer button, and then we're just gonna play our loop. Okay, wait, that didn't work for some reason. Okay, so we're gonna hit that transfer button. Cool. So now we have all the notes for like the melody basically, and we're just gonna delete this extra right here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all these notes here and move them to C, so that we can basically use it as a one shot and it'll be in tune. Just put it to C. And this is like a pretty fun way of making beats, just because you make some like really weird stuff. Let's just move that down. It has like all these artifacts and it just sounds weird. All right, so now that we have it in Melodyne here, we're gonna mute our loop here and then just go to the beginning and go to our master and add an Edison. And then for our Edison, we're gonna set it to now and then hit this record button. And then we're just gonna hit play. It sounds crazy, but just wait, just trust. All right, so now we can close Melodyne. Let's just stop recording. And then you also want to get rid of the Melodyne, just so when you play it, it doesn't play twice. And now for this one shot, or for this multi-key, we're just gonna get rid of the beginning bit and the end bit. Let's get rid of more of it, and let's just fade it in a little bit just so it doesn't clip. So just go over here, and then let's go to the end part, and then let's just fade it out. Let's just click right here. All right, so now we got this weird like multi-key one shot, you know what I mean? We're just calling it multi-keys now. And now we're just gonna go to the envelope, put this attack all the way down, put the tension up a little bit, and then turn the attack up a little bit, put this release down. And now we can use it as a one shot. Like, this sounds pretty weird, but the sound of your multi-key really depends on the loop that you use, and then also like how you adjust it. So we're gonna mess around with this like cut right here, which just takes out some of the highs. And then also if you mess with the start, let's see what we can do with it. So let's just take everything and pitch it down. Just pitch it down. Or we pitch it up 3 and then move our 808 down. Okay, I'm just gonna arrange it and let's try a freestyle. This has that like Pierre type vibe. All right, boys, I tried freestyling on this yesterday. Didn't really go that well. I'm gonna give it another go, see how I do.
What he say? I ain't keep up with the lame. Mama said go get these racks, keep up with the game. I want hundreds in the fame. I got bounties on my name. Come my way, little shawty on her name. On her way, speeding down the lane. Speeding down the lane, swerving on them like I'm in the way. I got light up in my vein, body in my brain. All I want is chicks and fame. I've been stacking guap up in my room, ain't no lame. What he say? I ain't keep up with the lame. Mama said go get these racks, keep up with the game. I want hundreds in the fame. I got bounties on my name. Come my way, little shawty on her name. Speeding down the lane, swerving on them like I'm in the way. I got light up in my vein, codeine in my brain. All I want is chicks and fame. I've been stacking guap up in my room, ain't no lame.
This is like my most complete song I've ever recorded for a video, so clap it up for me, boys. Clap it up. If you guys like the freestyle or you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe. We're dropping a free 20k kit once we hit 20k. It's gonna have a bunch of those multi-keys that I showed you how to make earlier, so lock in. It's gonna be completely free. Thank you to everybody who participated in the beat battle, and yeah, we're doing more community events, so tap into our Discord. Super lit in there. But anyway, that's enough yap. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my second channel. Links is going to be down below. Check out my Untitled kit. Check out Isaac's 10k kit. Rob's going to be dropping a new kit soon too. If you guys want any of my sounds, links are down below. Our kit store is down below. And yeah, love you boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Take care.